Pandas, check if column exists in df from a list of columns. Goal here is to find the columns that does not exist in df and create them with null values. I have a list of column names like below. When I try to check if the column exists, it gives out true for only columns that exist and do not get false for those that are missing. In PSpark, I can achieve this using the below. How can I achieve the same using Pandas?
Here's how I would approach.
Using np.assign, assign and unpacking quarks.
If you wanted to see more, please consider subscribing.